Ladies and gentlemen, got inspectors up the wazoo, canine and feline, all of those guys out there. How are we doing? It's been a minute. Did a couple of things last week, couldn't videotape them much. Well, I could, but it's just boring. So, got the Pops Mobile, Captain Dad's truck over here. You guys obviously, hopefully know what that is. Welder generator, got some stuff. And up here, I made a gate. So we're installing a gate at a customer's place today. This is something I don't do very often, but I custom designed this gate. It's 13 plus feet or something. So yeah, we're gonna install that and I will show you more once it's up and vertical. All right, stay tuned. It's just gonna be a short little blipping video of me doing a little bit of hot schnozzing with some sticks, and we'll go from there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are unloaded here. Here's a look at the gate. Very sturdy yet lightweight. It's 1.5 inch square tubing. What was it, 16 gauge? So it's nice and thin. Whole gate, except for, you know, this part right here for strength. Whole gate weighs 79 pounds. So we're going to hang slats on it. We're not going to do that. The owner's going to do that. So what I got here is the hinge bracket. So we made sure that this post is nice and plumb level. So as you guys can see, instead of trying to weld hinges on and trying to hopefully that they're straight, this thing saddles the pipe. So we know it's straight up and down. So I like doing that. Just makes for a lot easier installation. But yeah, this thing's gonna look real good, real snazzy. Let me put that down. So I'll just have a couple little videos maybe of me welding and then, you know, after video. There we go. All right, so we'll just do this setup and we'll go from there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's installed. Decently parallel there. I blame the post, not me. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I mean, that big of a difference there. 13-foot span. Can be a little bit off. But here, yeah, this is the business end. As you guys can see, welded it on there. Also, you know, this is a kind of a physical stop. So it goes past 90, which is what you want. Physical stop by the hinge. Yeah, so worked out real well. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Super simple, just the gate that I designed, created, you know, threw together. All right, so catch you on the next one. All right, aloha. Thanks for watching.